is Professor Hall, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use Starfish. This is one of our campus technology tools, and I'd like you to know how to use it, and I'd like you to know also how it's being used by faculty and staff here at the school. So how do you get into Starfish? Well, everything that you're going to go to is in this My SCC button. This is called the portal. So when you click on that, it will take you to this portal dashboard. You'll notice on the left, Blackboard, email. I have this thing called Banner Self-Service, which is a tool for faculty and staff. And then we also have Starfish. You'll see other, sometimes they'll be down here. I've dragged them up here just so that I have the ones that I use the most often. So you can get to Starfish directly from here. You can also get to Starfish on Blackboard. So if you go into Blackboard, there we go. You'll see over here on the left, Starfish is right there below some of your other tools. So when you click into Starfish, I've also linked it in our class as well. So I'll just show you kind of what that looks like just for a second here. I'm going to click right here on our course. And then Starfish is right down here for you, right underneath email and your grades. So you can get to it in 3 different ways: through the portal, through Blackboard, or through our personal Blackboard page. And when you click on it to bring it up, it's going to look like this. Now, I've put a notepad in front of this so that you can't see some of the students' information. But you can basically see what it looks like. The tracking is something that helps keep track of different notes your instructors have made. For me, I also have attendance. So for online classes, attendance counts as coming to class and also completing an assignment. For in-person classes, obviously attendance counts for going to class. And here, you'll notice these buttons: flag, referral, to do, kudos, and success plan. So if I select a student, like I'm going to do here, I have, as a teacher, a lot of different options. Flagging means that there's something kind of gone wrong in the class. Referral means that I'm recommending that you talk to one of our campus resources. Kudos is a tool we use to say, hey, you did a great job this week. So there's all different kinds of notes that I can make here. And I'm going to show you the referral one first. Okay, so now I've pulled up the referral flag. I clicked on that button, and you can see all the different things. Usually I refer people for 2 reasons. Number 1, they've talked to me and they want a referral, and they're saying, hey, I need to get connected with this type of resource, but I maybe don't feel comfortable reaching out to them. Can you ask them to reach out to me? So sometimes that happens. Other times it's maybe somebody I can't get a hold of, but I think that they would benefit from a referral. But usually if I put a referral in, I'll talk to you first and say, hey, I'm thinking about referring you to this. Do you mind if I put that flag up in Starfish? So here's some of the referrals: academic advisor, ADA transition, counseling, emergency loan, financial aid, mentoring program, success coach, and tutoring. All of those things are tools that we're going to be talking about this semester that can help you. So let's say that you've talked to me and you've said, oh, I have way too many classes and I'm thinking about changing my major. I'm not sure who to talk to. Well, in that case, I would refer you to your academic advisor. So I'd click on here, I'd select the course that you're in, and then I would add comments in that box. So I would explain to your advisor why I was making that referral and possibly remind you as well why that referral was being made. So I closed out of that, and now our next one is going to be a flag. Okay, so a flag is basically saying, hey, something is kind of going on here, and I'd like someone to reach out to this student to find out how we can help them be more successful. So if you were coming to class for a while and then I didn't see you and I reached out to you and you didn't get back to me, I might flag you for an attendance concern. Course materials is like you don't have the books that you need. Now for this class, we don't have a book, but for other courses, you might. General academic concern, if you're in danger of failing. And a lot of times you can see, if I move this up here and then wait for my very slow computer, I'm going to pick, let's say you don't have course materials. Okay, so I would put which class this is for. This is one of my other courses, and then I would kind of explain my concern. So you can see that the permissions may go to some of the other people so that somebody like your success coach could get in touch with you and say, follow up with you about that. Say, hey, I noticed that you don't have the book for your English class. How can we help? Do you need a temporary book from the library? Or are you just waiting for your book to come from wherever you purchased it? Do you need some emergency loan help to purchase some of your textbooks? What can we do to help? Okay, so now I've picked a different flag called missing or late assignments. And here you notice that the permissions change. So depending on who you're working with, for example, if you're in athletics, this will probably also go to your coach as well. If you're in the EOP program, the director of the EOP program will maybe be notified. So those are people who can help you get back on track. Sometimes they'll say, you're missing some assignments. Is something going on with your life? Do you need to talk to somebody? Or maybe you have to get some help with time management from the Success Center, or maybe you just kind of need help with the course and you need to get connected to tutoring. So really, I think that sometimes people think that these flags are like for a punishment, but they're really, really not. It's really just a way for us to help you continue to be successful and get you connected to the resources you need. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the Kudos button up here. Not everybody uses this, but I try to use it sometimes throughout the semester, especially for my online classes. So we have little kudos here, like keep up the good work, outstanding academic performance. If you were struggling before and now you're showing improvement, you got this, you can do it. And sometimes when we click that, again, I would type things specifically what you did well in this box. And then it would also could be seen by your faculty advisor or your success coach, academic advising. Your advisor would be able to see it as well. So again, things like that can help them know that you're doing really well. So that's how you get into Starfish and what it's used for. I'm going to link you guys to another video that shows you how to raise your hand. I can't really fully show you on here because this is the instructor view. So the video from YouTube will show you how to raise your own hand in Starfish, and we'll talk about why that can really help you at this school. So that's it for today.